Hi guys, how are you doing today? Good afternoon, good morning, good evening, wherever you are in the world. Hello. My name is Constance and thank you for joining me in a next episode of my English class. In this class, we are going to be talking about how to use the word enough. We're going to be talking about how to use the word enough. Okay? So let's begin. Like the word too, T-O-O, too much of something, excess. Like the word too, we use enough to mean sufficient. We use the word enough to mean sufficient, right? Excessive, too much, plenty, an enormous amount. So one, in this way, how can we use the word enough? With different grammatical forms. Example, adjective. Adjective plus the word enough. Adjective plus the word enough. Your dress are big enough. Your dresses are big enough to fit me. All right? So we have an adjective plus the word enough. Your dresses are big enough to fit me. So the adjective here would be the descriptive word saying the dresses are big enough. So big would be the adjective, right? Big would be the adjective. Let me see if I can do it that way. Okay? Your dresses are big enough to fit me. So adjective plus enough will give us your dresses are big enough to fit me. Big would be the adjective, the description of the dresses. All right, number two, verb plus enough. You have done enough walking. You can stop now. You have done enough walking. So enough, when you say you have done enough walking, you have walked excessively. You have walked too much, right? You have walked a long distance. You have done enough walking, so you can stop now. So walking and stop, you walk and you stop. So these are the two action words. So which are verbs, right? Which are the verbs. Another way of using a grammatical point, noun plus enough. Have you got enough money to buy me a drink? Someone is asking, have you got enough money to buy me a drink? All right, so that is noun plus the word enough. So you see, this word enough can be used in all three, in adjectives, in verbs, and with nouns. And this is not only noun but countable or uncountable noun. And money would be considered a countable noun. When you go to the bank, the teller can count the money, right? So have you got enough money to buy me a drink? So money would be a thing here. So you can use enough with adjectives, verbs, and noun. Countable noun, which would be money, or uncountable noun. And in this sentence, we are going to look at the uncountable noun. They have used enough sand and cement for building the island in Mary's kitchen. They have used enough sand and cement for building the island in Mary's kitchen. All right, so in this case, the uncountable noun, this is the uncountable noun. The uncountable noun would be cement and sand, because you cannot count sand and you cannot count cement. That will take you forever. Put it that way. That will take you forever. So they have used enough sand and cement for building the island in Mary's kitchen. So you know what an island is? A place in the kitchen that you can walk around, but you used it for preparing your food or sometimes to eat, right? It's substitute for a dining table at times. So this is sand and cement for building the island for Mary's kitchen, and it is considered, cement and sand are considered uncountable nouns. Money can be counted, so it is a countable noun. Now I have two words that I would love to share with you today. Pulchritude. Pulchritude. And what is the meaning of pulchritude? Can you guess? Do you know? Have you seen it before? Okay, I have left some clues here for you. Where's my next marker? I've left some clues here for you. Pulchritude. P-U-L-C-H-R-I-T-U-D-E. P-U-L-C-H-R-I-T-U-D-E. Pulchritude. And as you see this little plant, you can say it is what? What do we usually say about plants? They are beautiful. So pulchritude means beauty or beautiful. Right? Beautiful. Beauty or beautiful. So you can create a sentence and use the word pulchritude and see how it comes out. You could leave it in my comment box, right? The next word we have here is pusillanimous. Pusillanimous. That word sort of sound at the beginning, at the prefix, it sounds a little rudish, but what can I say? Pusillanimous. See that face there? What do you think? That's a clue. The word pusillanimous means coward or afraid. Coward, oh my goodness. My writing. Coward or afraid. Couldn't get to write at a good angle. Alright, so pusillanimous means, let me see if I can write it here. I can't rub it out. See? To be coward or afraid. That is the meaning of the word pusillanimous. Alright guys, I hope you have enjoyed this class. I hope you will know how to use these nouns with the word enough. These grammatical points, adjective, verbs and noun, countable noun and uncountable noun. This is it for this class, guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for being here. And before I go, or before I say goodbye to you, where's my glasses? Let me thank some of my wonderful subscribers. Okay, where did we left off? Patty Mouse, Bipul Bura, Sinya, Suit Pete, the Paul Haddy Experience, Cell of Dark, Biara, Biara and Best. Okay, thank you guys so much for subscribing to my channel, and I hope you will continue to do so in some fashion or manner. Leave a comment, tell me, let me know how the video turns out, if you like it, if you don't like it, what I should add or subtract with. The other day I got a good advice from someone on Twitter, and I appreciate that a lot. Right, she told me to thank my subscribers at the end of the video, so that's why I'm doing it at the end. Usually I do it at the beginning, so that was a good advice on me. So people want eager to get the message of the lesson, so do the thank you at the end, and so I did. And thank you, I don't remember her name, but thank you very much for your advice, all your input, all right? So take a look at these words, study this board. I hope it is simplified, because in this lesson or in this channel, I love to simplify things so people can understand. Because when I was going to school, I have difficulty understanding some of the teachers, and some of them didn't even want to help me. You understand? Some of them didn't even want to help me. Alright? So thank you guys for watching. I hope you like, share, and subscribe. Until my next class. Bye-bye. And stay safe.